Hello? I was just checking I've got everything, because I'm going to make a surprise for Bob the boat. See, Bob spends a very long time on the boat all on his own, so I thought I'd make him a little friend to keep him company, somebody you could talk to. So I'm going to make him a parrot. So I'm going to use this orangey balloon, and we need our puffer, 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 puff. We place the balloon on the puffer pump and we pull back, and a puffer, 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 puff. We only leave a little bit of air in the end, and whoop, a little bit out. Give it a tie. Now it's got a small little beak. That's his beak, and then it's got a long head. So we make his head a little bit longer like that. And then we give it a twist, but make sure you keep the knot part and wrap it around and through that gap like that. There's his head. And then we do a long body, like that big, and then fold it up, another part of the body. And then we're going to make the middle part of the body the chest of the parrot. And then this is the hard part. You have to pull this apart and push the chest through. This is tricky. Fingers crossed. We did it. And then finally, we make a small bubble on the end of the tail. It's got a very big tail at the moment. You fold it up and give it a twist. So you could have a very long tail. It could just be a parrot like that. Or you could put it in the middle and it could be a parrot on a swing. Oh, I do hope Bob likes it. See you soon. See you next time.
So here it is one more time. Now you take the balloon, place it on the pump and pump it up. Leave a bit of air in, let a bit of air out and tie it in a knot. You make one small bubble and a second bubble and put those two together and use the knot to tie it around and put it through those two bubbles. Then make a slightly bigger bubble, fold it in half and fold it down again. Give it a twist and roll that bubble through the two bubbles you've already made. Now to make the tail or the hoop for your parrot to sit in, wrap it around and tie a bubble through to make the circle. Position your parrot and he's all done. Ta-da!
See you next time.